Welcome to Where's the Action? I'm your host, Ross Benjamin. This is my NHL Picks of the Day segment for Thursday, April the 10th. I have two games on tap tonight that I want to look at. Let's get right to them. Let's start with the game between the St. Louis Blues and the Minnesota Wild, a game that will take place at the XL Energy Center in St. Paul, Minnesota, with the opening face-off 8:05 p.m. Eastern Time. Currently, St. Louis is a minus 125 moneyline road favorite in this game. Well, the Blues have hit a bit of the proverbial wall of late as they've gone 0-3 in their last three, in addition to being dominated, being outscored in those three contests by a cumulative 12-3 score. In addition, the Blues have scored 2 goals or less in their last 6 and 9 of their last 11 games. The Minnesota Wild are coming off a 4-3 huge home win over the Boston Bruins. The Wild have clinched the playoff spot and have even closed to within 2 points of 6th place Los Angeles in the Western Conference standings. The Wild have also gone a terrific 10-1 at home this season following a home win. In addition, the Wild will be looking to snap a personal 9-game losing streak at the hands of the St. Louis Blues, and their most recent loss versus St. Louis came just a week and a half ago, 5-3 on the road. Having said that, Minnesota has been terrific in this situation this season as they've gone a perfect 8-0 when playing with same season revenge versus an opponent in which they allowed 5 or more goals against in their most recent loss. 8-0 perfect there in that situation, folks. 10-1 at home off a home win versus a team that's struggling right now in St. Louis and a little bit down on their confidence. We're going to take the Minnesota Wild plus 105 over the St. Louis Blues tonight as our first free selection. In our next free selection, we're going to look at the game between the Colorado Avalanche and the Vancouver Canucks. The game will take place at the Rogers Arena in Vancouver, British Columbia, with the opening face-off 10:05 p.m. Eastern Time. Colorado is currently a minus 125 moneyline road favorite in this game. Well, the Vancouver Canucks have had a tough week, and I just can't imagine they're going to be emotionally ready to play this evening. I see a flat performance coming from a long distance away. Vancouver comes off a 3-0 home loss versus Anaheim on Monday that officially eliminated them from the playoff race. In addition, they saw their general manager Mike Gillis relieved of his duties yesterday, and it's been widely publicized their current head coach, John Tortorella, may not be back for next season. Having said that, the Colorado Avalanche are on the other end of the spectrum. They've won 7 of their last 8 games. They've moved to within 2 points of the first place St. Louis Blues in the Central Division and are within 3 points of the Anaheim Ducks for first overall in the West and have 1 game in hand on the Ducks. You have 2 teams going in opposite directions, one in Vancouver that's been 1-3 on their current homestand and has struggled over the last 2 months of the season and has a lot to endure mentally that's gone on this week. And then you have a team on the rise like Colorado with a ton to play for at a cheap price only because they've lost 10 of the last 11 at Vancouver. You could throw that right out the window, folks. They're clearly the better team. They're clearly the better team as far as their mental state of mind goes tonight. We're going to take the Colorado Avalanche minus 125 over the Vancouver Canucks. Reviewing again my NHL picks of the day, we're going to take the Minnesota Wild plus 105 at home over St. Louis. We're going to take the Colorado Avalanche minus 125 on the road over Vancouver. My name is Ross Benjamin. You've been watching Where's the Action? Thank you for joining me. Be sure to go to sbrforum.com to read all my articles and wish each and every one of you all the very best.